No, to be very honest, initially that wasn't the plan at all. So that wasn't even the conversation which we had in our team. But the way Prab, Simran, and Ayyar Bhai they were batting, it was tremendous. They just went with one flow and they just kept on the ball just kept on connecting. And later on when I came in, I just had a clear thought that if it's in my range, I'm going to go 100% with it. And if it's not in my range, I'll just go for a single or double. But my plan was that I'm not gonna let any pressure come on our captain. I'm gonna take all the charge and I'm gonna attack all the bowlers. So maybe that is one of the reasons that we could finish the game early, because the way Prab just gave us a tremendous start. So I think that is one of the reasons that we ended up chasing down this total in 15 or 16 overs. Sir, actually I came in as an impact player in the 19th over, so I didn't get the time to even see if the wicket has changed or not. But sir, to be very honest, I seriously don't know. But when I was batting, definitely the ball was gripping a bit, and that's it, sir.
Could you talk a little bit about your innings, like how you went about it, and which are the bowlers you like?
Yeah, so when I initially went in, I had to face Devesh, and I know a bit about him because I have played tournaments with him. So I knew that he was going to attack me with googlies, and I know that reverse sweep on this track was a safer option rather than going over the top to him, because the way he bowls, his pace, and if it would have connected, I'm sure it would have gone for a 6, but it didn't. So and the way I planned my innings is anything special which I planned, but I just try to go with the flow. I just see the ball and I just react. That's my plan, which has always been since day one. सर, जैसे पहले साल जब मैं आईपीएल में आया था तब तो मैं सारे मैच ही खेला, बट सेकेंड ईयर अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे को सारे मैच खेलने के चांस नहीं मिले. पर मुझे जितने भी चांस मिले मैं हैप्पी था कि मैंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया टीम के लिए. बाकी आप भूल गया मैं क्वेश्चन क्या था कि नहीं सर, आज की भी अगर बात करूँ, मुझे नहीं पता था मैं मैच खेल रहा हूँ. मैं ये पहले भी वो उसमें पोस्ट मैच इंटरव्यू में बताया, मैं एक किट लेके आया था क्योंकि मुझे था कि मैं कौन सा खेल रहा हूँ, वरना मैं फील्डिंग के लिए अलग रखता हूँ और बैटिंग के लिए अलग. तो मैं ऐसे ही फुल स्लीव्स में आ गया और बस मैंने खेल दिया और हो गया. कभी कभी ये चीज़ें भी आपके फेवर में चले जाती हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपको पहले पता हो कि आप खेल रहे हो, समटाइम्स आपके मन में ज़्यादा थॉट्स आते हैं. तो rather than कि knowing, sometimes it also helps when you don't know that you are actually playing. So I think this was one of those days जब I was lucky कि मुझे actually पता नहीं था कि मैं खेल रहा हूँ, and it turned out to be well for me.
When did you get the information that you were going to bat?
Sorry?
When was it informed you that you were going to bat? And what was the message like?
Yeah, so during warm-up, Ricky Ponting came up to me and he was like, if we bowl first, you're gonna be in the 11. And I said okay then, and still I was thinking कि how can I be in 11 even if we are bowling. मैं 11 में कैसे आ सकता हूँ. I was calculating कि नहीं यार, maybe उसने गलती से बोल दिया होगा. तो आफ्टर द प्लेइंग 11 जो निकली, देन आई रियलाइज़ कि हाँ भाई मैं ही खेल रहा हूँ. देन दैट्स व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड वार्मिंग अप इन द 11-12 ओवर, एंड क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मेरे को फील्डिंग पे भी जाना पड़ सकता है. सो बस फिर मैं गया और मेरे को बस जो मैंने आपको पहले बताया, मेरे पाले में मिली तो मैं छक्का या चौका मारूंगा, नहीं मिली तो बस सिंगल डबल. ये मेरा प्लान रहा. थैंक यू, नाइस टॉकिंग.
Yeah.